Hi, this is April from Staffing by Design Solutions again, and what I'm going to do today is show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic. The reason I am doing this video is just to get you a little comfortable with using Screencast-O-Matic, because this is where you will make your video for certification. So as you see, I have my Google Chrome browser open. But here is the actual screen. But what I'll do is just go to the top for my URL and put Screencast-O-Matic.com. I use it quite frequently, so it's already there. Now this is the website as you will see it. It says that you can sign up. It's free, but there's no need for you to even sign up. You can just do the recording for free. There is a video here that you can watch just to get you a little more comfortable if you like, but I am going to walk you through the process. What I've done is taken some screenshots, and I will show you step by step of what you will see. One thing that I want you to take note of is here on the website it shows this black and white dotted line. This is going to be the field of your video. So any information that you are showing in your video, you're going to make sure that it's in this line. Right now on this example is showing black and white, but when you actually start to record, it'll be red and white. And you see down here, this is the record button. So when you get ready to record, you will press on record and it'll count it down for you. 3, 2, 1, go. But I'm going to show you the screenshots, that way you have a better idea of what to look for. So the first thing that you will do is start recording for free. And this is the screen that you're going to start from. And you'll just start recording for free. And then you will see this screen. It says launch free recorder. You're going to click on this. Now for the language, it's always going to default to English. If you want to change it to something else, you can, but I would prefer you just to do it from English. So just make sure that it is English. Now for the third screenshot, this is after you've already you've launched the free recorder, and so the recorder is here. Depending on the size of your black and white line here, it'll either be up at top in the left or the bottom left corner. This right here is what I want to kind of bring your attention to. You can set it for screen only, webcam, or both. You don't necessarily need a webcam. This is why we use Screencast-O-Matic, because you can make this video with just using your screen. It's not necessary to buy a webcam if you don't have one already. So what you see now is just I've chosen just to do the screen. Once you are plugged in with your USB headset, your voice will be picked up here, and it'll be a green flashing light. That's how you know your voice is being recorded. Right here is showing computer audio, and there's an X. This means that it's not picking up my computer speakers, but it is picking up my USB headset. But this here is just a screenshot for you just to see what it looks like. Now the next screen will be after you've created your video, because what you'll do is you'll hit record and then it'll count down for you. 3, 2, 1, go. You'll go ahead and do your video, and when you're done you will press pause. When you press the pause, it's going to ask you whether you're going to delete it and start over, or if you're going to accept it. If you made any type of mistakes, then feel free to just delete it and start over. Don't submit it until you're fully comfortable with it. But once you are ready to submit it, then to save it to your desktop rather, you're going to save it as a video file. This is the only way that you're going to save it. You're not going to upload it to Screencast-O-Matic, and you're not going to upload it to YouTube. You're going to save it as a video file. Once you do save it as a video file, this is the next screen that you will see. See, it says here video file. The type is going to be MP4. You have to make it an MP4. The file name, it's always going to show the recording and the number. You can easily change the name of this. If you want to change it to certification video, you can do that. You would just click on it and change the name. The folder, more than likely it's going to say browse. So if it does not already say desktop and it does say browse, then go ahead and search for your desktop. And then you go ahead and publish it. Here you can see a little bit how it was picking up the voice from the USB headset. So yours will be doing that as you're talking during your video. And then this here is the last video. Once you go to publish it, this is what you'll see. If you left it at the recording, it'll just say recording number.mp4. If you change the name, it'll show here. Now, before you click done, you can play the video. Just as a second, look at it before you do officially submit it. And then you can click done. So those are the steps for the Screencast-O-Matic. I hope that this video was helpful and it did put your mind at a little ease. I want to thank you for going through this certification process for Staffing by Design Solutions, and I'll see you on the next video.